Video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a customer payment in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through a clear, simple process to remove a payment from a customer's record. Deleting a payment can be helpful if it was applied to the wrong invoice, entered for the wrong amount, or recorded by mistake. Keep in mind, once you delete a payment, it's removed from the customer's history and your reports, so make sure you're targeting the right transaction before you confirm. Start by logging in to QuickBooks Online and landing on your dashboard. From there, go to the top menu and click Sales, then choose Customers. This opens your customer list, where you can quickly get to the profile of the person or business that made the payment you want to remove. If you have a long list, use the search field or sort options to find them faster. When you see the right customer, click their name to open their Customer Details page. Inside the customer's profile, look under Transactions or Payment History to locate the payment you want to delete. Take a moment to verify details like the date, the amount, and the payment method so you know you're working with the correct transaction. Accuracy here helps you avoid removing the wrong entry. Next, click the payment itself to open the Payment Details page. This page shows how the payment was applied and gives you options for managing it. Look for the More option, which you'll typically find at the bottom or in the top right corner of the page. Click More, then select Delete. QuickBooks will prompt you to confirm with a message asking, "Are you sure you want to delete this transaction?" Confirm by clicking Yes. This final click removes the payment from the customer's record. After deletion, the payment no longer affects your accounts, your balances update accordingly, and any invoice it was applied to will return to an open or unpaid status if applicable. That means your reports and customer balances will reflect the change immediately. To wrap up, you've successfully navigated to the customer, opened the exact payment, and deleted it with a simple confirmation. This is the safest way to remove a payment that shouldn't be on the books. As a best practice, double-check the details before you confirm, and make a quick note in your internal records so your team or accountant understands why the payment was removed. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step while you work.